like Mecca up here. Mom! Come on, you got it. He's not even afraid or anything. That's why we have to have the baby cage.
You got him? Just in case?
Yep. Good job. I'm going to do the last one. The last one's the hardest one because there's nothing to push up on. Can you do this one? This one's hard because there's no more